Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your app icons black and white on your iPhone. So if you like the look of the black and white look on your iPhone, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you need to make sure you have iOS 18 installed on your iPhone. So if you don't have it, go ahead and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS 18. Now once that's done, go ahead and hold and press on home screen until your icon starts to jiggle at the top. Tap on Edit, then tap on Customize. From here, go ahead and select Tinted. And now you want to go ahead and take this slider all the way to the right and take the other slider as well, all the way to the right as well. Once you do this, your icons will start to turn black and white. Once you're happy, tap on the icon itself. And now you have the black and white look on your iPhone. So there you go guys, that is how to make your app icons black and white on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.